Hello children, welcome to channel Sube. Today I am going to discuss the question number 24 of 2019 Physics MCQ paper of new syllabus. A diode and a resistor are connected in such a way that only two terminals are available for external connections. So there are only two ways, series and parallel. When a voltage of 1 volt is applied across the external terminals, the current through the circuit is 50 milliampere. When the applied voltage is reversed, that means positive and negative, they exchange positive and negative polarities. The current doubles, that means 100 milliampere, because first time they say 50. What are the forward bias resistance of the diode and the value of the resistor? So children, there are only two, in such a way they say there are only two ways to connect a diode and a resistor. One is in series, the other is in parallel, like this. So first of all, we have to select from these two methods what is the correct one. Let's check what can be and what cannot be. First they say 50 milliampere flows through this combination. Let us suppose we connected this terminal to positive of the battery and we connected this to negative of the battery. Then what happened to the diode? Diode is forward bias. You should know that from the lesson. Then the diode conducts. However, this resistor has no polarities. It must conduct. Then however the current pass through this combination. Then the second time what they have done, exchange these terminals polarities. So if we connected this way, what happens? The diode is reverse biased, so it doesn't let any current go through it, so the current is 0. So the first time and second time doesn't match with this 50 milliampere and 100 milliampere. Only the currents should be, at one time it must be 50, the next time 100. First time or second time, it doesn't matter. But here at one time the current is 0. So this combination is not the real combination that match with the problem. So therefore we delete it. So we guess now this second combination will work according to the question. So let's copy, because there are two incidents. So let us suppose first we connected positive terminal to this one and negative terminal to this one. Then how does current flow? No problem, this resistor conducts. Because it has no polarities. Whatever the terminal we give, positive or negative, it conducts. So what happened to this diode? Now the diode is reverse biased. So I through this diode is 0. So this must be the first incident. So 50 milliampere goes through this resistor only. Then second time what they have done, given this positive terminal of the battery to this junction and the negative to this terminal. Then both conduct because the diode is forward bias, so diode conduct, then this resistor has no problem, it has no polarities, both ways the resistor can conduct current. So now the both conduct current through them, so the current is greater than the first one, so 100 milliampere must be this time. Then say this the value of this resistor is R, the resistance is R, here the same, they have not changed the resistor. So the first time the current through the resistor is 50 milliampere, the voltage given is 1 volt, voltage given is 1 volt, we can find the value of R using V equal IR. Voltage is 1 volt, current milliampere, current 50 milliampere, so we convert it to ampere multiplying 10 power minus 3, then R. So R equals 1000 divided by 50 equals 20 ohm. So that is the value of R. So here also the same value, R must be 20 because they have not changed it, 20 ohm. So now they say the total current is 100 milliampere. We know alone this resistor conducts 50 milliampere. Why? The second time also the voltage given is 1 volt. They have not changed the voltage, neither the value of R, so the current must be the same as earlier. Only the polarities are changed, it doesn't influence the resistor, so the current must be 50 milliampere through alone the resistor. Then the total current is 100. Who helps to pass other 50? It must be this diode. So through the diode the current must be the other 50 milliampere. 50 50 100 is okay. So the current through the diode must be 50 milliampere, as same as the resistor, and voltage across the diode is 1 volt, it is also as same as the voltage across the resistor, then both are equal for diode. For diode voltage equal, then current equal, then resistance of diode must be equal to the resistance of the resistor. Therefore the resistance of the resistor is 20, then the resistance of the diode also must be 20. So 20 the values are, so this one, the answer is 5. So I think you can understand this. So if you are happy, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching my videos. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.